So this question was gotten from our CA 2005/6, number 3 question. They said that we should find the domain and the range of this function. The domain and the range of this function. So, and remember what we said at the start of this functions course. We said that the domain is the value that this x can be. Any value that this x can be is the domain. You get? And we have the square root here bearing that x. So that's what we are going to use and find the possible range of values that the domain is going to be. So remember, when you have a square root, there are 2 rules for square root function. It must be positive. Any answer that we are getting here must be in the range of positive values. That is 2x is going to be greater than or equal to 0. So that's the premise for solving any square root function. So when we have this like this now, it's easier to solve. 1 crosses over 2x greater than or equal to 1, x, 2 dividing both sides, x is equal to 1 all over 2. X is greater than or equal to 1 over 2. This shows us that x can be any value 1 over 2 inclusive that tends to positive infinity. When the infinity is at the right side, it shows you that it's tending to positive infinity, and you keep the bracket open. So since we have gotten the domain as this, the range is going to be, from what I told you in the start of the class, that the domain is the output, any answer that we get after putting in the domain here. Inside here, any answer that we get in general is the range. So looking at this equation now, even if we get 0 as the answer of this square root, because it is still included in this range. This is 1 over, this is 0.5 to infinity, so 0 is included to here. So even if we get 0 here, we are still going to have 1 plus 0. That is fx 1 plus 0 equals 1 plus 0. That's formula of x is equal to 1. So showing us that the range of values that we are going to get as the range is any value from 1 to positive infinity. So 1 is going to be included in the range of values that we are getting to positive infinity. So this is going to be our range, and this is going to be our domain.